Do you struggle with snagging beard trimmers that leave a mess behind? Not anymore. Introducing Wahl's 2-in-1 vacuum trimmer. It not only provides excellent precision trimming, it cleans up as it goes. As you trim, the suction has strong airflow that sucks up the hair trimmings into a collection chamber. The powerful suction ensures that virtually nothing falls into the sink. Adjust the vacuum head for your beard length, snap on a guide comb, and let your vacuum trimmer deliver the perfect trim. Cleaning the collection chamber is easy. Just release and empty. And just like that, cleanup is done. Plus, Wahl's advanced lithium-ion technology delivers up to 90 minutes of runtime on a full charge, up to 3 times longer than other competitive trimmers. And this unit is cordless, so when the battery is low, simply plug it in and trim. This kit also comes with an ear and nose trimming head for fast, hygienic grooming of ear and nose hairs, as well as 12 individual guide combs and an adjustable 10-position guide to make even beard trimming a breeze. Pick up your 2-in-1 vacuum trimmer today. Wahl, the brand used by professionals since 1919.